My people, e don red o. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Biafran armies don come outside come send a message. Fulani herdsmen and bandits wey dey inside bush dey stop our women from farming. They say that woto is coming for them o. Carry their bag o, say because as e be like this, all those people wey dey for inside bush, all those terrorists wey dey call herdsmen and all the same, e say they are coming for them. Say they don't know where dem dey as e be. Things are happening. Oh yeah, come see wetin dey happen o. They say that some men, but these people no identify themselves very well according to the information wey we dey get. They come dey talk say some people wey dey catch for down there, say na Simon Ekpa na send them make they come their camp. He say na the people wey dey try to stop the 30-day sit at home. My people, now I can say this one it dey happen. However, I go bring the video come for na more and see as it dey go. Abeg, as you dey watch the videos, make sure say you dey share them. So let us show you wetin the Biafra Liberation Army talk before we jump to the next video. Just watch.
Mutane Nigeria da kuke rika nan da kalu. Wannan aya magana message ne na turo muku. Ku sake shi. Ai mutun nan da kuke rike bai komi ba. Kuma ina magana sun Nigeria sojoji na Nigeria wanda suke zuwa suna fada da mu. Allah na ransa muku da girma, Allah da ya yi kasa da sama. Ku sake nan da karu, tun nan da kuke rike bai komi ba. Ko na abun da ya yi. Zona wai kuna rike shi don da min me. Allah ne kawai da zai zo a nan duniya. Yi mai ko duk mutanen da sun yi don fuskan sun da sun yi. Sai da Allah zai risa mana asirin mu. Kuma ina magana kan sun gwamna sun sojoji sun mufo. Ko duk banza mutum da yake yi aiki a cikin Nigeria. Ina magana da su duka. Ku bari aikin Nigeria da kuka yi. Ko dan dawa mu sun Igbo wanda suka Nasarawa sun ce suna aiki a wuwa suna aiki army. Kuma duk magana da nika yi don a kai don su ne nika yi shi. Ku bari nan da kalo ku sake shi mutum nan da kuka rike bai komi ba. Allah na rasa maku da girma, Allah na ga muku. In ba ku rage shi ba, in ba ku bai shi ba. Allah garin zai sanda mu kama da wuta. Ko durun da mu haɗo da sun sojoji na Nigeria sai da ta buga bindiga. Allah na ga muku. Nan da kalu bai yi komi ba sai kuna rike shi. Ai mun dukan da muka Nigeria ko gwamna mun mu ko da president ne ko sun duka ne sun saki abin da yake faruwa nan duniya. Kuma suna rike nan da kalu. Allah na ransa muku. Ba za mu huta ba sai da a saka nan da kalu a ba da freedom do. A ba mu freedom don mu sai mu bari.
People wey don't understand Hausa, una don hear am o. Abeg, una still translate, give others for inside comment section. Or you come watch this video as this man wey dey talk for this video, they talk say na Simon Ekpa send these people come their camp. I don't know who they be, but I'm trying to investigate to know what actually are these people. Are they ESN under Biafra DOS, or are there security men that did this? So I'm just trying to get, if you know more about this video, please drop it in the comment section.
Okay, ke your surname? Onyekwa. Okay, family Onyekwa na Ekurobia. Okay, now ke kamponusi? Ke kamponusi? Obu. Kamponu de n'Obu. Okay, ke onye lidiro no bieba ka afia. How many kono dey bieba? 10 kono dey be my camp. Okay, mmadu ole no na hilos onubu? Mmadu 3. Mmadu ole no na ke moto ko di moto ozonubu? Siana konubu. Mmadu ole no na Siana?
Asuna Siana na abuka haru. Uti hiro moto to kan ha burubia.
Moto to ko no burubia. So ona aju ha se we bia wa camp. Dibi ona ogba ha afa. Ka afọ onye nke a dị ọcha ebe a ka ihe kpọrọ afọ ya. Chukwuemeka onye ebe? Onye Ebonyi steeti. Onye nke ọzọ, onye nke a na-ebe n'ike afọ ya. Ifeanyi onye ebe? Onye Enugu. Okay. So moto ole ka unu buru bịa? Ịtọ. So 10 ka unu dị buru moto na atọ. Ka ebe ka unu si nweta si moto ahụ? Ịma onye? Ka aha commander gị? Ka aha commander gị? White wo commander gị? Ka aha commander gị? White Biafra ya. Okay, ke color si ano no. White. Okay. Ke the other one nko. Nko ọzọ ash color. Okay. Ona mmadụ agwa ha unu. Ka onye lead unu bịawa this camp. Imo onye security lead unu. O nwere onye unu butere na side ya oge unu na-abịa. O nwere ji mechinu na lead unu. Ka onye monitor this camp. Imo onye monitor this camp. So ịchọ ikwu eziokwu, ịchọ ije eziokwu, ịchọ happy, just allow him. Imo onye lead unu. Si unu bịawa na egwu adịrọ. Asị unu bịawa na egwu adịrọ. Dibia unu agbara ha unu afa. Ke reason unu ji bịa weva? Tell me the reason. Ke reason agbara unu before na bịawa? Ko ọ gaghị bụ onye? White onye ebe ka ọ? Onye Imo State. Onye Imo State ka ọ ga unu bụ? Ihe a na-akpọ ya white. Okay, ke reason unu ji bịawa chọrọ m bịawa kampụ? Onwe ihe mere unu afụnugo m na kampụ unu. So unu bịa ka unu gbagbusie ndị nọ ebe a. Unu na-azọ Biafra na-egbusi ụmụnne unu. Mmadụ ole ka unu gbugoro? You people keep on destroying everything. Isi m na unu na-azọ Biafra. Uchi Biafra ka unu na-azọ. You people are criminals. Isi m na unu na-azọ Biafra. Jide ụmụazị Igbo na-egbusi. Jide ihe niile dị n'ala Igbo na-emebisi. Unu na-achọ ma bịa bụ abụm onye Hausa, abụm Fulani. Unu na-achọ ma bịa kampụ ihe, abụm onye Fulani. Ask you a question. Abụm onye Fulani. Why do you people want to finish everybody here in my own office? Unu bịa ma bọmbụ ma ihe niile unu buru bịa. Eke na ole dị na moto unu? AK4 ka unu buru bịa. AK4. Pọmpụ na ole? Pọmpụ ruru 10. Unu jiri bịa. Why unu ji egbusi ụmụnne unu? Ka onye na-agwa unu gbusi ụmụnne unu? Ịma ha. Asị unu na unu na-azọ Biafra. Asị gị sit at home. So what is wrong with you people? May God punish you people. Unu na-egbusi agwa m unu ọbara ụmụazị Igbo unu na-egbu dị n'isi unu, and you people will suffer for it. You people will pay unu ya kwụ ụgwọ ya. So now, you guys. Because onye na-akpọ mkpọchiga ma na-eme video. Please call me back. If you atọnda gbagbu ogi, ka ebe egbe gị dị? Ka ebe egbe dị. Kedu ebe egbe gị dị? Ka egbe nke ibu, ka ụdị egbe ibu.
My wonderful people, a lot of things are happening in Biafra land, and why did I bring this video up is because I want to tell our people something. The main one is coming for us. Be you any security outfit in Igbo land and you speak Igbo, you are full-blood Igbo, the main one is coming for us. Remember that when you finish buying your brothers, when fight come, they are not going to count you out. They are not going to count you out. You must remain. Let me tell you something. Do you know that if during the Biafra and Nigeria war, if that Biafrans remain only one person and he adopted Fulani's ways, he adopted Hausa ways, adopted everything concerning Hausa, they are not going to still give him the opportunity. Because he is Igbo and Igbo he remain. This is generality. So all this of buying ourselves, let him come to end. If you are fighting for freedom, freedom should be in one umbrella. If you are, even though it's in two umbrella, but let you know that who is your enemy, not your brothers. The second thing I want to say here is, anybody that is using this agitation to kidnap our people, to do crime, to take people something, to waste our innocent youth because you want what they have, God will expose you people. That is my prayer. So if you know that you are a category of these people who say you are fighting for freedom and you are using the freedom to commit crime, to kidnap, if you see somebody that come back from outside, you want to, hey, let's go, it will give us something for bullet. That is not how freedom is fighting. It's choosing. That's the people who is supporting out there. So let them be supported. When time reach, those people who are not supporting will support, definitely. Must. So you must not use the opportunity. Yeah, come back. Let us go and collect money for bullet. Please, if you are involved of this kind of thing, remove your hand. The Igbo land, the more once you raise something to buy your brother, the Igbo land will not allow you to live long. They must buy you. But if you are fighting for this struggle and your hands are clean, you will live long. That is the only thing that I have to say in this video. So I don't know what actually is happening. Who are those people who capture those guys, and who are those guys who are they working for? But what I'm saying is that enough of this buying ourselves in Igbo land. This is not a freedom. These people are people that will defend us tomorrow. So for those who are using it to do crime, remove your hand, please. This is not what the Biafra struggle that I know for, and this is not what our forefathers, our fathers, our great heroes fight for. They never use it to buy themselves. They face the real enemy who they call their enemy to fight. Please let all these killings stop in Igbo land. Enough of these killings. Enough of these killings. Please share this video.